Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Michael in Texas on his Galaxy DX 959. Michael, got ready to go for you, bud? You came to me and said you had a little Brute Force 250, wanted a radio that wouldn't hit it too hard, run good with it. We fixed you up just that. RF power all the way down, and Michael, this is probably where you're going to want to run it with the amp. 5-watt slug. You'll put about 1 watt of dead key into that. That should give you about a 75-watt carrier. Let's roll it all the way up. 5 watts all the way up, so when you're barefooted, you can run it like that. Let's go over here and check average power. 50-watt slug. Ooh, 12 bird. Peak power. Ooh, and 28 peak. Will work perfect. Won't overdrive your amplifier, and it'll make you a good one. Enjoy it, Michael, from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.